Okay, so I finished printing them out. I redid them because the first batch I kind of messed them up. So, and the other design that I was showing was too thin of a hole. So I'm just gonna use these little pieces here and put them with the ones that actually did work. So I got some jump rings and some hooks from Hobby Lobby, earring hooks. And I'm just gonna put them together. Put it through the top of that little dot. Okay. All right. So here's the first one I did. They looked rugged, and the second one. The second one looked a whole lot better. Look at that. Looks good, right? I didn't file it, and then I do need to file little pieces and stuff, but it's super thin. It's not too heavy. So yeah, y'all let your girl know what you think.